Good morning, members of the MIGO2023 committees. The topic of our presentation today is the quality of soil and water in Nypa palm forest area, which has impact on the number of plants and benthoses in the Khlong Subdistrict of Kantang District, Trang Province. First, let me introduce about our team. My name is Kasamachanma. I am joined by Khwanta Kayi, Thanyalak Nuan Si Thong, and Supakit Chu Chitchun. Our project advisor is teacher Pavina Hatet. We are grateful for the opportunity to present our project today. Now, I will start with the background of the project.
Mangrove forests play a crucial role for both humans and the diverse species within the ecosystem. These forests serve as nursery and habitat for aquatic life, while also providing protections against natural disasters along the coast. The plants and benthoses within mangrove forests serve as indicators of the soil and water quality. A rich variety of species and a high number of benthoses in these forests indicates their productivity. The Nypa palm, which belongs to the palm family, is the only type of palm that can grow in mangrove forests. It holds great economic importance for several provinces in southern Thailand. The research area we have chosen, Khlong Subdistrict in Kantang District, Trang Province, is of significant interest due to its coexistence with various factories and extensive transportation networks. In line with King Rama's 9 Royal Initiatives in Thailand, we believe that this project will contribute to resource management, aquaculture, and wastewater treatment planning. This effort will help maintain the stability of the ecosystem, create employment opportunities for the community, and restore the diversity and abundance of the environment. The objective of the research project is to investigate the quality of soil and water in the Nypa palm forest located in Khlong Subdistrict, Kantang District, Trang Province. Additionally, the project aims to determine the abundance of plant species and benthoses within the Nypa palm forest in the same area.
Next, to conduct this survey, we follow the following methodology. Start with study area and spot selection. Define the study area and set the scale 1/100. Randomly, select 30 spots near the Nypa palm forest. Use the link program to display point coordinate for each spot. First, analysis of soil quality. Evaluate both chemical and physical aspects of the soil. Utilize equipment such as the soil thermometer, soil color book, pH meter, light intensity meter, and PVC pipe. Measure pH level, moisture content, color, temperature, and transparency. Dig the soil to a depth of 30 cm and assess its quality for 3 consecutive days, collecting 1 sample per day. Second, analysis of the water quality. Assess both chemical and physical parameters of the water. Implement tools such as the meter ruler, circuit it for measuring water transparency, water thermometer, light intensity meter, and pH meter. Measure the depth of the water as well as its transparency, temperature, and pH level. Collect the water sample using suitable container for pH measurement.
Third, study of plant and benthos population. Use equipment such as a handnet, tray, light microscope, and stereo microscope. Determine types and quantity of plant within a 1 square meter area. Develop sampling techniques to identify and classify benthos species. By following this methodology, we aim to obtain comprehensive data on the soil and water quality, as well as the abundance and diversity of plants and benthos population in the Nypa palm forest area of Khlong Subdistrict, Kantang District, Trang Province.
For the findings and conclusions, Our measurement indicate the following. Number 1. Soil quality. The average pH of the soil is 6.00 to 6.80, which falls within the standard range of 6.10 to 6.59, according to the Bureau of Mangrove Forest Conservation in Thailand. The average temperature of the soil is 26.5 to 27.7 degrees Celsius, within the standard range of 25.5 to 23.0 degrees Celsius. The color of the soil is categorized as yellowish brown, 10 yellow red, although the norm for soil color is typically in the reddish brown group, 2.5 yellow red. Number 2. Water quality. The average pH of the water is 6.7 to 7.3, within the norm range of 6.5 to 8.5, according to guidelines from the Department of Fisheries in collaboration with the Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives. The average temperature of the water is 23.1 to 27.1 degrees Celsius, within the standard limit of not exceeding 33.0 degrees Celsius. The light intensity value for the water ranges from 19.4 to 34.7 centimeters, compared to the usual range of 30.0 to 60.0 centimeters. Number 3. Plant count. The average number of sea holly trees per square meter is 2. The average number of Nypa palm trees per square meter is 1. Number 4. Benthos count. The average number of green tidal crabs per square meter is 8. The average number of horned shells per square meter is 10. The average number of ships per square meter is 1.
Based on the survey conducted, it has been determined that the soil and water quality in the forest area of Khlong Subdistrict, Kantang District, Trang Province meet the criteria set by the Mangrove Resources Conservation Office and the Fishery Department under the guideline of the Agriculture and Cooperative Ministry. This signifies the existence of thriving environment conducive to the long-term conservation of the mangrove forest.
Thank you for your interest and hope to have a great opportunity with MIGO again.